Investments in security markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Brokerage will not exceed SEBI's prescribed limit. So can we start it, sir?
Yes, ma. Can we start? Yeah.
Okay. So, hi, good afternoon, everyone. Today we have Mr. Senthil Kumar as a guest, who has joined for our live webinar today. So, he's an AMFI-registered mutual fund advisor with a decade of experience in the market, and he also runs a firm called ECAP. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, ma.
So, we can proceed, sir.
Okay, ma. Thank you. So, before letting in, I just like to speak to the participants. What is their preference? Is everyone new here, or else they have an experience in the stock market or mutual fund? Can you text so that I can move further? It will be helpful for me to go further. So I'll be bilingual, both. I'll be comfortable with little Hindi, English, and Tamil. Fine. New. Anbu. Yeah, Jaykumar sir has since 5 years. Great, sir. Only 2% has responded. Is there any other person? Fine. So before let me start. Yeah, 2 years. Muhammad sir, I just want the session to be lively so that your time is more valuable or my time will also more valuable. So if you have an interaction session, that will be good, right? See, basically my personal opinion is that since we have a 16 years of 16 plus years of experience in a market, we doesn't think that no one can think that we are a good experienced person in a market. Now algo has came, the people are youngsters are doing a very good numbers of volume. They are doing great compared to this. Comparing to them, we feel that we are learning from them. We are learning from youngsters. So, for example, an experienced car driver who, yeah, fine, ma. I will be Paresh, Shah. I will be in English. No Tamil. Okay, no issues. A person who drive a car with 17 years of experience, who does not have a eye vision, he will lose in the market. So you all can do wonders compared to us. Okay, fine. So I'll be lively. I will be. If you can chat, so it will be helpful. Yeah. Once I'll go with the slide. See, don't allow winner game to become a loser game. See, here what I'm trying to say is that everyone is a winner, but the emotion will ruin us in the market. See, what is EFGH in the market? Can anyone say? See, mainly we lose only in EFGH. We all tend to become a emotion. See, once we will be entering into a trade, that trade definitely will be profit. But our heart says that book here, there will emotion comes. So that is most of the case that ruin our profit. Fear. Most of the time we will have a toss whether to enter in the market, not to enter in the market at this situation. With this fear, we will lose the trade. We never enter with fear. And greed. Already we will be in a good profit. We expect ज़्यादा लालच हो गया हम लोग our profit, ज़्यादा profit is required in the market. Again, we will lose in the market. And we have a hope that my trade won't lose, right? I will hope that I will hold the position. Tomorrow, if it is today or tomorrow, I will win. So if we have a hope in the market, that will also go in your portfolio. See what the session is about. Moving average with 360 degree. See what is 360 degree? We have a different vision about the market with the moving average with 360 degree vision. So it is one of the technical indicator. Moving average is nothing but is one of a technical indicator. See, there are three types of indicators. One is leading indicator, lagging indicator. This indicator is a lagging indicator, right? See how to calculate the moving average. It is very simple to calculate the moving average. right? You take past, suppose if you are taking as shown in this pic, the stock price day 1 is 30 rupees, day 2 is 30.6, day 3 is 30.3545. To calculate this, you have to average. Here it is mentioned the 4 days moving average. To calculate this, you take 4 days moving average, divide by 4. That's it. You get a price, right? This will be the moving average. It comes with different duration. The people will go for different duration in moving average. Suppose I am comfortable with 5 days moving average, I will go with 5 days moving average. Some people will come comfortable with 9 days moving average, they go for 9 days moving average. There are three types of moving average: simple, weighted moving average, and yeah. Okay. The chart is not moving, ma. Hello.
Sir, it's clear
Someone
only,
says,
sir.
yeah, fine, ma. Good. Okay. Here I would like to see. Someone is saying the chart is not seen, ma. Is the chart is visible? Like presentation is visible for everyone
Presentation is visible only, sir. Now it's in the slide types of trader,
of
right?
traders. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Then
Ma,
it's clear right only.
then okay. Okay. Chart notes. Okay. There is a system with her Shah. Okay, fine. Error with her. Okay. See, with the help of moving average, can anyone say what are the types of traders in the markets? Types of traders. Those person who hold for long term, an investor, scalper. Great. Someone is saying, yeah, swing trader, slides. Someone says slides are not visible. 2, 3 persons are trading. Now only moving. Okay, fine. Okay, there is a swing trader, right? See, positional trader, he never bothered about the portfolio. He sees that the event is good, the chart is doing good. He will hold the position for longer trade. Longer trade. For example, if he doesn't mostly he if there is a dramatical change. For example, our government has given importance to the energy sector, right? So he takes position with the help of moving average. You do some studies. He will hold the position for longer tenure. Ma, again, they are saying slides are not visible, ma.
Uh, Now is in scalper, right?
Yeah, 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 ma.
I'm like able to just a minute.
The slides are visible only, sir. Slap and radiation.
Okay, fine. Ma.
Sir, you can carry
Okay,
on, sir.
okay. This positional trader who uses, in later part of the scene, we'll see how much moving average they use in. They say again, they say only Zebu is seen, ma. Okay, okay, fine. No, fine. Who is a scalper? He trades immediately. He sits in the market. He doesn't even make a. He doesn't lose even a seconds. Even a seconds is important for a scalper. Ma, people are. What was the issue, ma?
So it's all
Hello,
clear only, sir.
I'm getting
Maybe that's
message.
because of their network issue, I guess.
Okay, fine. So no issues. I will be explaining. That will be fine. I believe, right? Right. Uh, we are not getting clear. Screens not visible. Selva Tirchi. Sir, Selva, sir, screen தெரியுதுங்களா? It's clear, sir. You go, Sasi. Fine. Good, great. Okay. Maybe some issues. K7, no, chart not seen. Later part, I'll come with chart. So you don't worry about the chart. Uh, I will explain with the whole thing with my mouth. Don't worry. I'll be a little slow. Fine. Here, scalper, every minute makes a important for scalper, and for swing trader he could hold for an event. For example, yesterday there was an RBI event, so RBI forecast was good. They had a take a neutral stance. The people use of this with the help of technical indicators, they will come hold for a day, a week, or a month. That trader is called a swing trader. A day trader, he never holds the position for the next day. At the end of the day, he holds some position. He use some moving average. This we will see in the coming slide. So far, I am clear. You are all with me? Yeah. Yes, fine. Good. See, now one thing people are worried about, there are new trends with algorithms. Yeah, algorithm traders are making a huge space in the market nowadays. They occupy huge number of market shares. People are using algorithm. In algorithm, moving average plays a major role. Let's see in the coming slide. See, before, so you are all clear with types of traders. That is again, I'll show you the positional trader who holds for a longer tenure, scalper, immediately, fatafat, seconds, minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, so faida has for scalper, swing trader, a week, he will hold the position for a week, day trader, he never holds the position. Algorithm trader, he is also a he also trades in a during a trade. Some algorithm makes the scenario will be changed for this scenario will be different for algorithm. Here you can hold for longer tenure also, for shorter tenure also. See, there are 4 phases of market. In moving average, won't work in accumulate most of the time. Moving average won't work in accumulation phase or distribution phase. So usually in accumulation phase market, there is no volatility. So if you are satisfied with small profit, accumulation phase will be good. In advancing phase or the rally phase or in a breakout space, moving average will do a very good job. Here, distribution stage is again a consolidation stage where you can get some failures. Okay, fine. Again, in declining stage, it works good. So these are all the 4 phases of the market. See, adding a moving average, what are the things you have to see, right? If you are working with a moving average, what are the things you have to see? You have to see whether the moving average is rising, moving average is falling, or moving average is in a sideway movement. In most of the case, we get trapped in a sideway movement. See, while adding moving average, also we have to see the prices. If if 2 things are working good, we will make a huge profit. Like if moving average is rising, prices also rising, we make money. Moving average falling, prices also falling, we make money. And in sideways, there are some kickbacks, some toothpick problem. In that case, you have to adjust the moving averages. Here, so far you are all with me. Can I go ahead? If you are not clear, yes, sir. Go, fine. Okay. See, moving average, taking in a moving average, what is the strategy parameter? See, when you use technical analysis, the most of the people we say, array, you use technical analysis where you can enter, whether it shows the entry, exit, stop loss, and risk management. This other tool does not show this. In moving average, if there is a crossover happen, you can give an entry. And if cross under is happening, you can exit. Here, you can fix the stop loss, right? Exit is nothing but a stop loss. Here, the major thing one person has to be worried about here the stop loss. And the one more thing is that your risk management techniques. The risk management technique is the one beautiful thing. If one person who follows the risk management techniques, you never lose in the market, or else there will be some losses like cutting your nail, small losses. Overall, you will be getting a good profit. See, in risk management, if there is an entry, you can go for 1:2 profit also. In later side, I will explain those criteria. So parameter is good. Can I go ahead? Sir, I said, if you are responding, that will be good. Fine, great, thank you. Yes, thank you, Sasi. Yeah, fine. See, next, we had been discussing we had discussed about the market phases. We had discussed about the type of traders. The main thing is that for an investor, what is the time frame he has to choose? The question arises in you. What swing trader, right? What is the time frame he has to choose, right? For swing trader, and for scalper, what should be the time frame a scalper has to choose, right? Any ideas? Fine, daily. Yeah, fine, good. Okay. Here I have some thing. For scalper, as we said earlier, every second plays a major role for a scalper. Even a single minute second has plays a major role for a scalper. In scalper, the time frame you have to go for even seconds, minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. Here I will like to share something is that if you are in a scalper, if you are using a moving average for 5 days and 20 days, you can take advantages of exit with 1 minute. If there is a crossover happened in 1 minute chart, you can exit there, right? And for an accuracy for a scalper, you can go for a 15 minutes. See, what is the role of the scalper? The scalper will always make a small profit. He enters in a huge amount. So one basic moving average for scalper, if you want to take a note of it, you can take a note of it, right? 5 days and 20 days and 5 days and 80 days. Can I move for the next one? Time duration. For a swing trader, right? Next one, the day trader. So for a day trader, as said earlier, a day trader, he never hold the position for the next day. The time duration suitable for a day trader is 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and a 1 hour chart and 4 hour chart, right? See, for a day trader, he capitalizes volatility. See, we see the for volatility, we see that India weeks. If the volatility is huge, here the day trader make profit in volatility, right? The moving average advisable for the trader is 5 days, 20 days, and 50 days moving average. Next, we will be seeing a swing trader. As said earlier, the swing trader may come and they come and make profit in an event. Most of the cases, they hold even months, right? Their time frame is day. They will see the day chart and weekly chart, right? Here they utilize the current trend. What is the trend, right? If there you can take an example like recently there is a war happening in like Iran, Israel. So they will square up the position or else they will take a new position. They make use of it, right? Here the advisable for swing trader is 20 days and 50 days since they hold for even months. See, what is the positional trader, right? See, positional trader, he make utilize of the market for a longer tenure. Here, the time frame he will see is weekly and monthly chart. He makes profit for a long trend. He will be, if there is a sector rotation, he will make profit. As I said earlier, we say that these government-related stocks are not performing for last 10 years, but past 3 years it has rocked, right? If you plot the average 100 days and 200 days, we can make a awesome money in those sectors. See, the position trader will go for a sector rotation. See, they always prefer this position trader always prefer a buy and hold strategy. He won't, if there is a short-term loss, he won't book losses. Sir, so far I am clear. types of traders. Shall we go with market? Yes. Any queries as of now? Okay. Again, we had lost one thing, algorithm trader. See, as I said earlier, algorithm trader, there is no specific time you can use for even a second, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and you can also hold the position. Can anyone say that when SEBI keep on saying that people are losing money, losing money in option market, one person had made so much of money with the help of algorithm? Can anyone say who made huge money? It was a big issues on May month this year. Okay, fine. I will go ahead. See, if in algorithm, there was a Jane Street saga in Indian market, Indian option market. They made 1 billion profit with the help of complex strategies. This was an issue once they comes for a court this May month. They made money in only options. If you have a good strategy, you in algorithm traders, there is no emotion. As we discussed earlier, EFGH, you don't have emotion, fear, greed, and hope. Automatically, the number of winning position will be huge, right? See, we will go for scenarios. As I said earlier, accumulation phase, and there is a rally, distribution phase, and declining phases, right? See, this image has been taken yesterday chart, right? Here I had plotted the 15 the scenarios, right? See, what are earlier we had seen the scenarios, right? Here there is a crossover has happened, right? Here the price is also rising, the moving average is also rising. Here we had taken a 15 minutes chart. It has been plotted yesterday. Sorry, it has been plotted today by 1:44 p.m. right? In Nifty chart, right? So here we use 15-minute chart, and here this is for long-term investor. The price is rising and the rising moving average. This scenario you can enter. The second scenario was price is falling. There is a undercut in moving average. In this scenario, you can go for sell. Most people are making losses in this consolidation phase. Here, the price is also not moving. The moving average is also getting consolidated. Sir, so far clear? So that I can go ahead with next thing. Okay, fine. Yes. Someone has doubt. Ma'am, can you text the doubt so that I will proceed? Ramesh has raised the hand. Sir, if you can text in the chat, so we will go live. Great. So there are some moving, Vimala says there are some moving average based on the volume. Yeah, there is a moving average with VWAP. You might be learned about VWAP. VWAP, it is a volume weighted moving average. Here in VWAP, volume is also being considered. Hope Vimala, I had cleared your doubt. Bhubaneswari, next we are seeing the price action, right? In the coming next slides, we had good. Okay, fine. See, I had plotted only. See, I had made the presentation today live chart, right? See, what is the trend? They are asked about the price action, right? What is the trend with the moving average, right? With the moving average, as I said, you can predict the short-term trend. Moving average is used for short-term trend, medium-term trend, and long-term trend. See, for short-term, we had used the color pink, and medium-term golden, and long-term it is black, right? See this. this has a crossover has happened in Nifty index. Crossover has happened in Nifty index. Here we had used triple moving average, 20 days moving average, 100 days moving average, and 200 days moving average. Here 20 days moving average, it is in marked as pink, and medium term is golden, and 200 days is black. See, there is a crossover has happened here, right? It is the 20 days moving average is crossing a 100 days moving average. This suits for a positional trader. Suppose you hold a position, you can hold for a longer term with the help of these settings in moving average, right? And madam has asked about the price action, right? See here, Bhuvaneshwari, yeah. See, in whenever there is a pitfall in the market, right? There is a huge drop. Market touches a 200 days moving average, and immediately you can see a bullish candle or bullish engulfment candle in that. You can go ahead. There is an opportunity where you can make money. Here I had marked those things in a square box. Ma'am, hope I had cleared your doubt. I see there will be a session. Which are the chart you want to see? I will show that in a trading view. Yeah. Here for price action, it always, whenever the huge movement or event, if it is not settling here, the box I had marked, if it is not settling below that, you can go ahead for buying. Yeah, Tamil solra madam. Sir, I will explain in Tamil. Other please. Okay. மேடம் இங்க வந்து நம்ம வந்து 20 டே மூவிங் ஆவரேஜ் எடுத்திருக்கோம், 100 டே மூவிங் ஆவரேஜ் எடுத்திருக்கோம், 200 டே மூவிங் ஆவரேஜ் எடுத்திருக்கோம். மார்க்கெட் வந்து 200 டே மூவிங் ஆவரேஜ் வந்து நான் இங்க பிளாக் கலர் இண்டிகேட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். அந்த இடத்துல வந்து மார்க்கெட் அதை செட்டில் ஆகல. இந்த பாக்ஸ் மாதிரி ஒர்க் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். அதுக்கு கீழே வந்து மார்க்கெட் க்ளோஸ் ஆகல. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு இங்க வந்து நான் டே சார்ட் எடுத்திருக்கேன். இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு பெரிய கரெக்ஷன் நடக்கும்போது 200 டேஸ் மூவிங் ஆவரேஜ்ல உங்களுக்கு கீழே செட்டில் ஆகலைன்னா இந்த இடத்துல பை எடுக்கலாம். இமீடியட்டா உங்களுக்கு ப்ராஃபிட் ஆகும். இங்க பாருங்க 2 டைம் பவுன்ஸ் ஆயிருக்கு. இது உங்களுக்கு நான் லைவா சொல்றேன். புரிஞ்சுதா மேடம்? இல்ல மெதுவா சொல்லணுமா? ஃபைன். I'll go with the next chart. Think we have been some person had told me about some person about told me about the scalping, right? இங்க நம்ம என்ன டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணோம்? மூவிங் ஆவரேஜ்ல சிம்பிள் மூவிங் ஆவரேஜ், வெயிட்டட் மூவிங் ஆவரேஜ். we had been discussed about simple moving average, weighted moving average, and estimated EMA moving average, right? Here in EMA, no sir, no, see there sir, I can't Selva sir, I can't speak in Tamil. This was a session exclusively made for English. So the participants from so many areas are there. I will ask Deepika to share some other section where I will speak only in Tamil. Tapa nenichikadinga sir. Right, fine. Okay. 5 days. See, it is a winning strategy. For a scalper, for a scalping, you can use this moving average, 5 days EMA and 8 days EMA, a winning strategy for a long term, also short term, right? Here, see, we had used 5 days EMA. See, this plot, this we had taken a yesterday chart, 15-minute chart. It was not an old chart, yesterday chart, right? Here, we had told that in moving average, what are the things we have to see, that whether the crossover is happening, which has been marked in a box, or a cross under is happening, right? See, this chart, right? Yesterday, morning there was a in EMA 5 days and 8 days there was a crossover has happened by here by around 10 right day first day, and there is a huge rally has happened, and the next entry would be here. இந்த இடத்துல தான் next entry இருந்திருக்கும். The cross under நடந்திருக்கு. In see, the one thing I have to say, see, earlier we had discussed about entry, exit, stop loss, right? Here you can ask the question, right? Sir, here the crossover has happened. Where would be my stop loss, right? Your stop loss would be the previous candle or the previous low. Recent low should be your stop loss for the crossover. Here I had marked the horizontal line. Here marked the line right here. Suppose if I am entering here, the stop loss should be here, right? The horizontal right, below the line, right? Here I can mark for 1:10 ratio profit, right? One second, I will take a marker. And this was day before yesterday crossovers happened. Yesterday there was a there is the mark. Shit. Okay. Yesterday this was the scene. Can anyone see my mouse rolling? No, fine. Right here, the crossover has happened. The stop loss is below the line which I had marked. The line which I had marked. This was the yesterday scenario. The yesterday scenario, there is a two line I had drawn, right? There is a candle here, the candle formation like evening star has formed. The market had broke this level, again it had closed higher. Here there is a pullback. Here in this area you might have given an entry, and at last by 2 o'clock, exactly 2 o'clock, cross under has happened. If there is a cross under happening here, the stop loss is above the previous resistance. This is the resistance. This area, yesterday I had made money with this strategy. So you should not, if you are preaching, some people ask, you always preach, did you made money with this? Yes. Yesterday I made money with the help of this strategy, EMA 5 and EMA 8, right? In swing trading, we told like we can see a 1-minute chart, 5-minute chart, and 15-minute chart, right? See, this 15-minute is more accurate. The entry will be limited, right? In 15 minutes, in 5 minutes, right? In 5 minutes, yesterday the crossover has happened here at the time of 2 o'clock. See here the small feedback. See here I am using EMA 5 and EMA 8. Exactly by 2 o'clock, the small crossover has happened right here. So I made an entry in Nifty 2500 call at 160. Again, there was a retracement. We made again there was an entry in Nifty, and if the crossover is not able to carry it, we kept stop loss. Exactly by 12:17, we booked loss, right? After we waited, the cross under has happened. After we waited, the cross under has happened in the same chart with the cross under. See, in this is 15-minute chart. In 5-minute chart, we made loss here. This pullback. Again, we reverse the position. Why? There's a cross under has happened. See again. See, this was the first trade. With the help of 5 minutes, right? We book losses in Nifty 25,000 call. Again, the cross under has happened. We made a put with the same price. See, this was the scenario. The cross under. I had entered the Nifty put that had made a huge profit, and we had marked a support here. See, I had entered here when the cross under has happened, right? The stop loss we had marked here, and I had found a support here. So in this region, I had exited the position. What has happened if I'm not exited? Again, the market came down. So suppose if you are working with an EMA moving average, you can mark the profitability ratio, whether it is 1:2. How much risk I'm entering here? My risk is 1 and my profit is 1:2 ratio. This is what we made a profit with the help of EMA. You follow this EMA. You can note down this EMA, this 5 days and 8 days EMA. This is working good. The thing is that you have to work with 15 minutes chart, so the accuracy level is higher. So far clear, sir? Shall I move further? Yeah. Yeah, we are also making a strategy with Algo, Sashi. So this was the yesterday we made. Okay. See, I referred. See, with the see, this book is one of the book which I referred. Big money, little effort. This was a proven strategy for a scalper, where the scalper you can use this entry if you want. You can make note of it. Big money, little effort. This book was written by Mark Shipman. Here, 50 days and 20 days moving average with a 3 minute chart, 5 minute chart. With the help of number of trades, you can make money, right? See what that says. If the in that book, the 5 days moving average higher than the 20 days moving average, we will go for a buy, right? And 20 days moving average is higher than the 5 days moving average. Here we go for a sell. So this is the book, sir. Big money, little effort. If you want, you can make a note of it. It is a beautiful book which I had referred for technicals. This. See here, 5 day moving average and 20 days moving average, they had found a longer tenure and they made money in it, huge accuracy. See here, again, see this is today live chart, right? In moving average, we had worked with SMA 9 and 20 here to show you that this is prices are rising, moving average rising. Prices are declined, moving average is declined. This was the market today till 240, right? See here, there was a gap up. There was a gap up, huge gap up, right? In Nifty. After that, by 10 o'clock, it had given this. Oh, this is a 3 minute chart. There is a crossover has happened, right? In the price of 5,020, the market had shoot up more than 100 points here, and the cross has happened here. So if you have entered in this position, if you have might, if the cross under has happened, also you are in a profit of 60 points. Again, the cross under has happened in 3 minutes, and there is an exit. And here, what I'm trying to say is that the prices are rising, moving average is rising. This is the right time to enter. The prices falls, moving average again later it falls. Since it is a lagging indicator, it falls. There also you can make money. And the third scenario I had mentioned, in this scenario, you won't make money. Since the prices are in the consolidation phase and moving average also in the consolidation phase, here you won't make money. Sir, so far clear? I'll go for next strategies. Fine. Thanks, Paresh. See, in that I told na in the big money, little effort. They had done a successful, tremendous thing with this two time frames in 30 minutes, in 3 minutes, 5 minutes time frame. And here I had used 9 days and 20 days moving average. with 9 days and 20 days average, yesterday, what has happened in Nifty? See, this is 3-minute time frame, right? This box-like thing I had marked, right? This box-like things I had marked. The market did not break the Bhuvaneshwari madam, you had asked, right? Price action. Here I had, please listen, here there's a box-like thing I had marked here, right? Market exactly followed in 20 days moving average. Market exactly fall this 20 days moving average, right? It didn't broke further, right? Here I marked the resistance. If you are entered here, you can make money. But here, where it has given a crossover, right? Again, it went up, and there was a big hand. There was a big downfall. There was a gravestone doji, and the prices crosses above the moving average. The prices crosses above the moving average. See here around 25,100. There is a big shoot. Market had went more than 25,240. Right. See, this was the scenario by yesterday. If you plot the SMA 9 and the SMA 20, you can see this scenario. And where the undercut has happened, see here I told the undercut, right? Moving average cut. Here the cut has happened. There also a big fall. There also you might have made money, right? So this, see, for seeing the chart, for a swing trader, chart plays a major role. You have to see 1 minute chart with the same SMA 9 or 20, and you have to see the 5 minutes chart and 15 minutes chart. 15 minutes chart, the entry will be less. So I will show you in 1 minute how much entry is keep on giving, market gives. See this on, suppose if a trader, if a swing trader want to enter with the help of 9 days and 20 days moving average, the crossover has happened around exactly on 8/10/2024. The crossover here has happened. Here I used 9-day SMA and 20 days SMA. The chart is 15 days moving average. The crossover here has happened and there is no cross under. See, the crossover has happened around the 20, it is around 24,840 or 900 levels. If it is around 880 levels, the market had given a rally around 200 to 50 points. Once you enter here, and when he can wait till a cross under happen, right? See, this is for a swing trader. He holds the position for a longer tenure. These two time frames can used by a day trader also. As I said, if you are going for a 5 minutes time frame, you get more number of trades, right? This has taken this yesterday the scenario of Nifty, right? See, the market had touched, see the price action, the market has touched the 20 days moving average. Again, the rally has happened. See, when it crosses, the moving average thing is that when the prices are above the moving average, blindly go for buy. That was the rule, right? In textbook. See, here what has happened? Market has opened and it is consolidated here, went up. Again, it has touched the 20 days MA moving average, right? SMA simple moving average, and it has the rally has happened, right? Here the bullish thing, and it has the price has crossed the 9 days moving average. If you start, if you go for a buy with the help of 5 minutes, there is a possibility of you to make money here, right? Till 220. Here only crossover has happened. At least you might have made 70-80 points. And Nifty index. This was yesterday chart, right? See, here I told that what is the earlier we had discussed with the help of moving average, the entry can be shown, exit can be shown, and what is the target we can fix, right? Here the risk is this previous bear candle. See here the risk is previous bear candle. Here I measure the previous bear candle is the stop loss. If I can, market has achieved more than 1:2 ratio, but if I am comfortable with 1:1, I can book profit. Sir, so far I am clear. You are all with me? Yeah, sir. I will go ahead, sir. The investments again. The beautiful strategies are coming. Shah, sir, is beautiful strategy are coming. I'll show you. Right. See, here for a swing, we had worked the crossover. If I'm not the chart, this is 3 minutes chart. See, nowadays algo people are working with 3 minutes charts. That gives more accuracy and more number of entries as given in 3 minutes chart. It had given a much earlier. The entry has given much earlier, and you can exit also had it had given a much earlier 3 minutes chart with SMA 9 and SMA 20. This was not a old chart. This was a yesterday chart. You can check with this time frame. And I had marked with, see, as a scalper, you should if you are not active, you lose in the market. See, we work with the same SMA 19 and 20 with 1 minute chart, right? See here, what is the problem? If you are working with 1 minute chart, it gives so much number of entries. Here, the one I had marked here, entry is given. There, it went, the market went. See, if you are working with 1 minute chart, if you are comfortable with 20 rupees or even 10 rupees profit in Nifty index, it is amazing. You work with 9-day close and 20 days close, keep a stop loss. You go for 15 points or 20 points. For a scalping, it's good. See, first I had marked one. Here, the crossover as given. Second, I had marked two. Yes, sir. Yeah. See, 1 minute chart noises are there, right? See, what I'm saying that 1 minute chart will be helpful for your exit, right? Those who go for a scalper only, this is advisable, right? See here, crossover has happened here. See, so much of noise here. Yesterday there was a 16 entries, right? Here crossover happened, here cross under happened, again crossover happened, cross under happened, crossover happened, cross under happened. Here crossover has happened, cross under has happened. There's so much of noise here. See, here it will be helpful for your exit, right? Nothing. So I'm not suggesting you or anything like go with 1 minute chart. It will helpful for you. Okay. And what are all the other moving average? Right? There's something called golden cross, death cross, double moving average, and triple moving average. See, in golden cross, we use 50 days moving average and 200 days moving average. If, if 50 days moving average is crossing 100, crossing 200 days moving average, it is called golden cross. Paresh, you can try the golden star since you are holding the position for a longer tenure. This will be useful. Make note of 50 days and 200 days moving average. I'll give you one more thing that is a proven success story. The strategy I have kept for last. Had kept that strategy for last. Okay. And what was the death cross? The 50 days moving average. Here the 200 days moving average is crossing the 50 days moving average is a death cross. See again, here double moving average. In double moving average, you can use 20, you can use the time frame for 20 and 50, and triple day moving average here using 20, 50 and 100 days moving average is advisable for triple moving average. See, earlier we had in the presentation we had used the triple moving average. Paresh, make a note of it. This is helpful for a investment point of view, right? Here we had used the triple moving average. This is for investor. Here we had used 20 days, 50 days, and 100 days. 20 days is in pink. 50 days was at golden, and 100 days was 200 days. 100 days was in a black. Here, if you give an entry, see the entry is given around the during the November, mid of November or December. The market has given a huge rally from 19,500 and it has given a rally till 25,000. This can be used for even stocks also, right? So far clear? We will go live. Give me 5 minutes. We will go live with. And see, now I showed you triple day here in double in trading view. You can use double moving average also, right? See, this was one of the amazing thing. As I told you now, at last I will come. Those who are investor, you make note of this. In that book we got, or else you see that this is Don chain moving average, right? Uh, this is for a investor. This is not for a trader. Here I had at a box I had marked was Darwin's box theory. If someone want to know that, Google Darwin's box theory. You mark the high, and that was the Darwin's box theory. Once the high is broke, the stock will rock like anything. Again, that won't come down. Here in Darwin's box theory, you have to see that whether that is AAA or the stock is quality stock, right? Now, Don chain moving average. This moving average comes with three, right? Here, in weekly chart, they work with 30 days moving average, and they work with 30 weeks moving average and 50 weeks moving average usually. Here, in Don chain moving average, the simple is that when here we had used 20 days moving average. 20 days, if the market is breaking the previous high in daily chart, it will rock like anything. See, in Don chain moving average, this is a clear evident example of ITC. During the consolidation phase, if there is a breakouts, in our terminology we told that we will be saying that it is a breakout. If the breakout is happening, and we see the down chain moving average clearly hints that, see here the blue line is a breakout, right? The breakout is here, has given with a down chain moving average, blindly go buy. And here the moving average comes until you can hold the position with the nearest average. Again, if there is a blue like thing, if it is break only, you can exit the position. It is a very good tool for a long-term investor and a scalper. So now I will go live. So far, if you want, okay. So far clear, sir. Any doubt? You can text. I'll be helping you. I will go live. If you want to check some charts with the help of moving average, I will check now. Sir, if you want to analyze, Bhuvaneshwari madam, if you want to see some chart, see how to plot this down chain analysis. If you say, I'll go live. See, I had worked down chain analysis. See what down chain analysis is for a long-term trader. Here, in a day chart, kindly work with day chart. Kindly work with day chart, right? Here there is so much consolidation has happened. There is a breakout. For example, with the help of down chain analysis, I will go for SBI, right? State Bank of India. If I'm using this down chain for State Bank of India stock with the, see, the breakout has happened here, right? The moving average is going close. It has not broken below averages. For example, 2021, there is a buy has happened. Till now, it had not given any exit in the on-chain. It was a beautiful tool for a long-term investor. If people say some chart, I will check the chart now. Any chart. Chart. For example, I want to use for ICICI Bank. Is there any doubt? I will work. I'll work for, since HDFC Bank is getting consolidated, I'm working down chain for HDFC. So much of noises here. Okay. I'll remove all those things. When was the entry has happened? Entry has happened in HDFC Bank in 2020 October, and it had till now it had not broke this level, right? In weekly chart, NCC. Okay, I'll check for NCC, right? NCC. See, now it has given a buy around 2023 NCC, and the prices are going here. The moving average prices are going. If it is a bearish symbol, somewhere around here, 250 will be the bearish. Market is getting consolidated here. It is being consolidated here. Is there anyone want to check chart so that I can check the chart? Like Vimala, so that we go for live. Someone told who are freshers, which time frame, EMA is more accuracy. Sir, we had found Muhammad Rafiq 9 days and 20 days. As I shown in the presentation, 9 days and 20 days, it had given a more accuracy. We had made money yesterday live also. You can try with 9 and 20 days. 20 days you can try, sir. Or else you go for, in that book I had shown you now, in that book it has mentioned that 5 days and 20 days moving average. Raymond. The Raymond, the exit zone would be around the price of 1,170. This low. Sometimes the average, the lower down chain moving average comes here, you can exit the position, right? Here, you can have this area to exit the position, or else you can go, if you are short-term trader, exit here, like with the help of this moving average, you can exit. Mohammed sir, say what I'm find the entry. See, in the presentation we had given that in 15 minutes the probability is higher. Go for 3 minutes. Go for 3 minutes chart. You find the accuracy. Entry happens. Go for 1 minute for stop loss. And take decision whether to enter or not in a 15 minutes chart. Hope I have had answered your question, sir. Mohammed Rafiq. In 15 minutes, you take a decision. Check for 3 minutes. Entry has happened. For stop loss, you can go for 1 minute. And if the 15 minutes everything has achieved, you can go ahead. The entry has achieved, you can go ahead. உங்களுக்கு என்ன சார்ட் வேணும் கேக்குறது வச்சு சொல்றேங்க சார். Sir, I'm working with trading view chart, sir. Is there any doubt? So that, see, please be free to ask, so that it will be helpful for both of us. I will be learning. I love to learn from you people. ITC. The ITC already I had shown you, sir. ITC with the down chain analysis. ITC had rocked, beautifully rocked. Here the stop loss is also not had shown here. In this, if you want to exit, you have to wait till 457. It's still in the bullish scenario. This is for an investor, not for a trader. You presume that you want to be a scalper, or if you are a scalper, you can go ahead with shorting this. If you are a swing trader, go for a 1 minute chart. As an investor, you can go for a ITC. Sir, if you have queries, I can drag the session. Else, we will wind up the session. If anyone have the queries with my presentation, we will go ahead with the presentation. Or if your query session, I'll be allowed to handle the queries. If you have any doubt with that, okay.
If anyone have doubts, you can just ask, put it in the chat box.
Okay. See, at last, the final I touch. You only need one pattern to be successful. To fix 20 days. Bhuvaneshwari, madam, you can get my number. I will help you, ma'am. Post session. Okay. You need only one pattern to become a successful. This was Linda Bard Rishi from Market Wizard. The Bruce Lee who practice only one step with 1,000 times. You practice. First, you determine you are a scalper or a swing trader. You are coming for a long term. Practice the moving average. Whether you are comfortable 5 and 20 days or 9 and 20 days, and you practice only one trade, that moving average, you will rock. Have a profitable year ahead. Only 1% of the day profit you need. 1% of the day profit all you need. Thank you. Thank you. Is there any queries? I am allowed to have the queries. Thank you. Thanks. Thanks for the valuable.